Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So as you guys can see, I have a new hairdo. I'm back to my knotless box braids. I did them in like different shades of brown. So you know, new hair, who this? But in today's video I wanted to give you guys a fitness journey update. In case you guys may or may not know, I am just trying to live a healthier lifestyle when it comes to working out, when it comes to my diet, when it comes to my mental. I just want to live a healthier lifestyle overall. So I have been doing different things to work on my fitness journey. So I have been working out consistently since the beginning of 2020, specifically during quarantine. Quarantine gave me the discipline that I needed to work out at least 5 times a week. Most weeks I work out just about every day, which I'll get into later on in this video. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. So if you guys need inspiration, if you guys want to know what's going on with me, if you guys want to hear what motivated me to start this journey, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below and join the family. We're on the road to 7K period. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to drop a comment down below after you watch this entire video with your thoughts, with your comments, with your opinions. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, my nail is missing. I have a nail appointment later today, so don't come for me. And secondly, I'll probably get some questions about this chain. So this is a customized nameplate chain from Jariatu Jewels on Instagram. I'll go ahead and put her Instagram down below. And then I have on this top from ASOS that I wear in a lot of my videos, and my braids by hereby_Kimmy. So I actually took notes in my phone because I didn't want to miss anything that I wanted to speak about. So what motivated me to start my fitness journey is that I was surrounded by some people who had threats to their health, and I always told myself, like, I'm gonna put my health first. Like, we get one body and we can't get a new body, okay? So I mean, you can if you get plastic surgery or whatever, but in terms of like health and like maintaining our natural body, we cannot get another body. That is something we can't just go to the store and buy a new body, okay? So I was like, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take care of my body. I've always been like working out because I did play sports in middle school and high school, but when I was in college I completely fell off. Like, I used to work out maybe like twice a semester, and then once the third day of the semester hit, I was just like, okay, cool, we're gonna focus on these books, okay? So since I graduated from school, I have been transitioning back into that healthier lifestyle. I did start working out with a trainer in about 2016, 2017, Daniela, which I spoke about in my video about Black-owned fitness journey resources, and she was a great like kick in my ass to get back on my fitness journey and to push myself and to challenge myself. So if you are someone who's starting off on a fitness journey, I would say to have a trainer or to have a partner or to have somebody who can hold you accountable and someone who can make sure you're not just doing things that you're comfortable doing. You're challenging yourself, you're pushing yourself, because that's what really causes you to see the results you want to see externally and internally. So a lot of people ask me about my journey, and the first thing that I want to say about my fitness journey and about any fitness journey is that your diet is very important. Like, if you work out and you still eat like shit, like, you can't expect to see the results that you want to see. So my diet, I don't eat any dairy, I don't drink any soda, I don't drink any juices, okay? I used to crave a lot of sugar beverages. Like, I used to be a juice girl, okay? But what I did is I started transitioning to like different, like, I guess you could say like detox waters. Like, I would drink water and I would put like different fruits, different vegetables in it, so that it can still have like that sugar taste, but at the same time, like, it's pushing me closer to just drinking water. Because the thought of just drinking water used to be so boring to me. I'm like, how the hell do people drink water while they eat? How do people drink water 8 times a day, 8 bottles a day? So it was difficult for me to transition to that. But if you put fruits and you put vegetables in your water, girl, I promise that it will make a difference. So I used to start off by adding strawberries, cucumbers, mint, lemon. Now I just put like mint and lemon in my water and I'm set. That is my favorite water, in case you guys don't know, in case y'all don't watch my channel. I speak about it all the time. So that is something else that I did. And I used to crave snacks. Like what I tell y'all, I used to be a chip girl. You would have thought my name was Wise. You would have thought my name was Doritos. You would have thought my name was Lay's. Okay, so I still get like the urge to like have a crunch. So what I do now is I substitute that crave with vegetable chips. So I eat lentil chips, vegetable chips, quinoa chips, plantain chips. Those are all chips that you can find, and they're a healthier option to eating like a Dorito or eating a Lay's, and honestly they taste good. So I usually eat the brand The Daily Crave. I spoke about it in one of my vlogs recently. They make poppin' vegetable chips, so if you haven't checked it out, check it out. They sell it in TJ Maxx, they sell it in Stop and Shops, they sell it in ShopRites. I don't know about your local supermarkets like Kroger's or wherever you may live, but check it out. The Daily Crave, I think they also sell it on Amazon, so I'll see if I can link it down below. But yeah, and then also I stopped drinking as much alcohol. When I was in college, you guys, I used to be drinking from a Wednesday to a Sunday. I used to be drinking like a friggin' fountain, okay? So after I graduated, like my body just slowed down, and I'm not gonna say I don't drink. I drink, but when I drink now, one, I don't drink as often. And when I drink, I don't drink mixed drinks. Like, I'll just drink straight. And you guys may be looking at me. You guys may be listening to me like, girl, what? You drink straight? Yes, I drink straight. I'd rather just get it over with. Like, get me drunk or get me not. Like, it's one of the two. And the juices, like the sugared concentration of the juices, contributes to bloating, contributes to headaches, contributes to so many other things. So I'd rather just drink my alcohol straight. That's just my preference. But in general, if you are trying to lose weight, if you're trying to get started on a fitness journey, I would say to cut back on drinking. Once I cut back on drinking, my stomach went down, and I'm just like, yo, I really had a fupa my whole college years because I wanted to be drinking. And then as soon as I graduated, my stomach was getting flat. So cut back on drinking. And the last thing that I want to say before we get into like actually working out is that it all starts with the mental state, right? So you may start off your fitness journey with, you know, all types of different intentions, to just be healthier, to be more toned, to lose weight. Either way, we all start off with this, most of the time we start off with like this physical goal that we have. Like, we want the flat stomach, we want the small waist, we want the big butt, we want hips, whatever it is that we're working out for. You start off with that, but I feel like so many other things come up while you're on your fitness journey that after a while your initial intention kind of goes to the back burner, and you learn about so many other things that you want to work on. So for instance, for me, I'm like, I want to get rid of my stomach and I want a booty. Okay, that was most of the reason why I started working out. And as I continued on my fitness and my wellness journey, I realized like I just want to live a healthier lifestyle. I want to eat better, I want to think better, I want to so many other things. And with me working out, I just feel like overall it just put me in a better place. Like, it gets me energized, it makes me like get more shit done throughout the day. So as you are progressing on your fitness and wellness journey, you'll notice so many other things which in turn serve as motivation for you to keep going, for you to keep working out. A lot of people ask me like, how do you work out so many times a week? Like, how do you wake up early to work out? How do you work out after you worked a whole 9 to 5 and did like whatever you had to do for YouTube? And for me, it's like I have the motivation, I have the discipline. I'm just like, okay, I know that if I miss a day, I'm gonna feel like shit tomorrow, so let me just get up and do that. You know what I'm saying? So if you are looking for motivation, I feel like you attract it along your fitness journey and along you realizing different things about yourself and your health. So that's that. So now we'll move into like the actual workout part of my fitness journey. So first thing I'm going to say is that you need to work out consistently. A lot of people expect results and they're working out like 1 time a week, 2 times a week. You need to work out consistently. And when I say consistently, that means at least 5 times a week. So most weeks I do work out every day. So 5 days I'll do like HIIT workouts, like high intense workouts, and then the other 2 days I'll do something calm, like whether it's just stretching or whether it's just abs or whether it's just, you know, jumping jacks, just something to keep me moving. So if you are working out every day of the week, you can have like 2 like not so intense days. If you do want to do 5 days a week and take 2 days off, that's a great way to transition, because at first I was not working out every day of the week. I was only working out 5 days and taking 2 days off. Also, you can look online for different resources. So recently I have been doing 2 Chloe Ting programs. I've been doing her Hourglass program, which is her tiny waist, bigger butt, I think it's called workout, but that's the Hourglass program. And then I also been doing her 2-week abs. So for me, something I struggle with is I'm doing all of these ab workouts and I still don't have a six-pack. So something ain't mathing. Like the math ain't mathing, and I'm just not happy. So with me picking up that program, I have been seeing such great results, and I'm only on like day 8 out of 14. So if you are noticing, like, you know, what you're doing isn't really working for you, what you're doing isn't really challenging you, what you're doing isn't really pushing you, and I would highly recommend to seek like external resources, whether it be a trainer, whether it be videos. There's so many programs and so many like fitness gurus on YouTube that actually show you, you know, what to do, show you like what the correct form of things are, show you, you know, what workouts will target whatever section you're willing to work out. Another thing I want to say is that with working out, like, even though I'm like, oh, I want a flatter stomach and I want a bigger butt, we need to understand, it's important to understand that you need to work out your whole body. You can't just work on abs every day, and expect to get a six-pack. It, like, the body is a system, the body is one. So, you know, it's all together. So even though I am working on abs and booty goals, I'm still working out my arms, I'm still working out my full legs, I'm still working out my calves, I'm still working out my my quads, everything. So you can't just be like, oh, I want to work on abs, I want a six-pack by next weekend, I'm only doing abs. No, you need to do everything. So what else did I have? Also, identifying your goals is very important. So as I said, you know, we start off identifying what we want, whether it's we want to lose weight, we want to be more toned, we want to live a healthier lifestyle. So that is the first like step to your fitness journey, to get you, like, you know, on the right track to do whatever you have to do. But from there, as I said, you're going to venture onto so many other things, so many other benefits, so many other sources of motivation that you will create for yourself to keep up with your fitness and wellness journey. I would also say to create a vision board or place your goals somewhere to serve as a constant reminder. So whether it's like you have a vision board of, you know, like people you see, or people that you just love to look at when it comes to, like, say, dietary goals, like somebody who eats good, somebody who's like eating goals, somebody who's like ab goals, somebody who's booty goals. So whatever it is, even though we will not end up looking like them, like my body inspo is Tiana Taylor. I know I'm never gonna look like Tiana Taylor, and if I do, then God, shout out to you. But I have pictures of Tiana Taylor in my phone that I scroll through, whether it's I need inspo to get up from my bed to work out, whether it's I need inspo to actually, like, you know, push through my workout. When I'm doing my Chloe Ting, girl, I be dying, but I just be thinking like, Tiana Taylor, you need that body, you need that body. So having a constant reminder keeps you going too, if that's another source of motivation that you need. I know some people have it like on their lock screen, some people have like their vision boards, or some people have like their picture of their body inspo on their lock screen. So that is another source of motivation that you can do. And the last thing I have to say is that you just have to get up and get started. A lot of people are like, you know, I'm gonna start next week, I'm gonna start at the beginning of the year. Get up now and get started. Like, it's never too late to get started. Every day counts. That's another thing that I always remember. Every day counts. I may be like, okay, I want to take this day off, sis, but today counts. So, you know, you can't just skip today and be like, oh, I'm gonna do 2 workouts and catch up tomorrow. So now that we got through all of that, I did want to show you guys a quick before and after of my my body. It's really just my like glute area, because not my glute area, my ab area, because I did notice a lot of progression there within like the past 2 months. So I'll go ahead and put that picture here. But as you guys can see in the before picture, I was more wide, you know, and then in the second picture so I'm really excited. Also in the second picture you can see my six-pack coming in, so I'm really excited about that. But I just wanted to show you guys that quick before and after, so that if you are someone who's, you know, following my fitness journey, you guys want to see how it's going. If you're someone who needs motivation and that's why you're watching this video, then I hope that that photo helps you out. But I'm super excited. It's something that's just instilled in my everyday life now. It's something that I don't even really like pay attention to my progress as much. Like, I'll look in the mirror every day, but you know, when you look at yourself every day, you don't really realize your progress. So that's kind of how I feel. But that's why it's important to also take photos. Like, I know you may be embarrassed of where you are at the beginning of your journey, but with you having that picture from day 1 versus day 28 or whatever, you know, period you're willing to measure yourself at, that is very important. Also to take measurements of your waist, of your hips, of your butt, of your legs, whatever you're working on, take measurements, because when you see that progress, that is also another source of motivation. So don't be ashamed, because listen, my day 1 pictures, which we'll get into probably in the next video, girl, clipped. But now when I look back, I'm just like, wow, I really did come a long way. So appreciate where you are in your journey, appreciate where you are now. Take those before pictures, take those measurements. Okay, so that was just European Wax Center calling to confirm my wax appointment. But what I was saying is to take those measurements, take those pictures, write down your goals, make sure that you're checking in on yourself every 30 days or every 15 days or whatever it is, so that you can see your progression and that can be your source of motivation. But that's about it. This is my fitness journey update. This is probably the first video where I really sat down and spoke to you guys about my fitness journey. But you guys, at first, like I always used to be very insecure about my body. I was shaped very straight, and I still have no hips. I used to have no butt whatsoever, but I feel like with me working out, I have been seeing huge progress in my body. And yeah, so I'm really excited. I'm very excited. This is just the beginning, you guys. Like, we have ways to go, okay? And we're gonna get those ways, and we're gonna get our bodies together. So I do want to do more fitness content on my channel, so comment down below, let me know what else you guys would like to see. I do plan on doing a more like full body workouts. I've been doing like my full body workouts on my Instagram stories on Fridays. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do, at Kensthetic_. I also have a fitness highlight on my profile where you guys can reference like different fitness related things, whether it be like equipment, things that I use, workouts that I do, challenges that I do. I am doing Squattober again, so if you guys are following me in October, you guys will see the little challenge that I'm gonna do, and I want you guys to do too. So I'm really excited about that. But let me know what other fitness related videos you guys would like to see on my channel. I do still owe you guys a what I eat in a day video, so you guys can actually see like what I eat within a day. So that video will be coming soon. I know you guys have been asking for that. But that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Make sure you guys subscribe before you head out. Give this video a big thumbs up, and drop a comment down below with any thoughts or opinions on this video, any video ideas you guys would like to see going forward related to my fitness and wellness journey. I also uploaded a video on Monday about my wellness routine, things that I do on a daily basis to make sure that I have my mental and external health in check on a daily basis. So make sure you guys check that out. I'll link it above and down below. But that's all I have for today's video. Until Friday's video, which I'm super excited about, I'll see you guys later.